Hi everybody, today we will study PHP function. PHP function. The real power of PHP is come from its function. It has more than 1000 built-in function. PHP user defined function. Beside the built-in PHP function, we can create our own function. 1. A function is a block of statement that can be used repeatedly in a program. A function will not execute immediately when a page loads, but it will work or it will be executed by a call to the function. Now we go to create a user-defined function in PHP. A user-defined function declaration starts with the word function. Now it's syntax. Now we start with the word function, and this one is the function name. Code to be executed. Notice that a function name can start with a letter or underscore, not a number. For the function name are not case sensitive. Okay, now we go to create a user-defined function in PHP together. Okay, now we create the user-defined function in PHP by word function and function name. For the function name, we must create it not the same for the PHP built-in function. We cannot create this one because for the echo function is the built-in function in PHP they had already. So we can create another echo message. Then I will echo now my function is working. Okay. If we write the function like that and we not call this function, it is not working. We can go to see the result. Nothing. Okay. Now I will call the function. Call function by echo message function. This is how to call the function in PHP. Now we go to see the result. Now my function is working. Okay. Now my function is working. PHP function argument. Have argument. Information can be passed to function through argument. An argument is just like a variable. Arguments are specified after the function name inside the parentheses. You can add as many arguments as you want. Just separate them with a comma. Okay, now we go to create the we go to create one function that have argument. So the function is no argument. So if we want to add if we want to create the function have argument, just put here message and my message is dot message. Okay, now when I call echo message, I just break line very break one. Now I will echo số muối. Now we go to see the result. My mistake is so muối. I assign a parameter. I assign the argument to my function. Or if we want to add, so for the argument we can add as many as we want. So if I add one more by comment by comma là x like that. My mistake is and value x dot $x like that x y x vô y x vô y $y. Okay. Right. And this one is a string. Let me say I will assign the value string to them, and then I will assign 3 integer 4, 3 and 4. Okay, now I go to see the result. 4. Why 4? 3, 4. Maybe 8 here, or maybe you cannot assign this one. You cannot assign like this. Go down. X and Y. Okay. Now we can see we have 3 arguments in function echo message. 1 is the string, 2 and 3 is the integer. Now my message is the line message. I assign this one and value x, y, 3. If we call again, echo this one, echo break, so 20 and 40. Now choose my name, my message is 2 and 10 for 30. So when we create this function and then we can call it, we can use the function as many as we want. So for the PHP function argument is finished, and now we go to the PHP default argument value. The following example, so how to use the default parameter. If we call the function without argument, it will take the default value as argument. Now we go to testing. If I have one function, function maybe write message, and then I have one argument message that I set value to it, hello world, and then I will echo the message and see the message with the message, and now I will call I will break one. Okay, now I call the function write message, what message that we want to write, so one, and we call again to 3, and for this I don't want to assign the argument. This one is the This one is the default argument value, so it will take this value. Now we go to see the result. Okay, you can see throw 1, throw 2, and this one is no parameter, so it will go to take the default parameter. This one, hello world, and so by, and so 3. This one is the PHP default argument value, and for the PHP function returning value, to let a function return a value, so we use the return statement. Now we go to test. Okay, I will create one function. Is the returning value return function. We call the return function function sum. I will sum $x with $y, and then I have one parameter total equal to $x and $y, and then I will return the value total. I will return with return keyword. So return function will have keyword return at the end of the function. Now I will call function. I will echo sum 3 and 2 and 3. Right? So the result is 5. Okay, 5. 20 and 30, okay, 50. Okay, I hope for the function return function, I hope all of you will understand. Next video we will study about the PHP array, and thanks for watching my video. If all of you have any problem, you can comment on my YouTube channel. Okay, thanks, goodbye.